Okay, I got a simple workout for you today. And why is it that raw vegan athletes can really get fit? Okay, how is that? Why is that? No meat, no chicken, no fish, no cheese, none of that. But they get fit and they get stronger and they can work on weak areas in their body. Well, the reason is because when you're on a vegan diet, and especially a raw vegan diet, you have more energy to train. That's the key. More energy. When you're wasting energy trying to digest animal-based products, you have less energy to train. So you're not going to be as tip-top shape as you could be. Okay, so today I've got a simple workout. I got my trusty sled here. I'm going to do 200 yards backwards walking with my sled. I'm going to do 100 push-ups, and I'm going to do 25 pull-ups. That's it. That's the workout. Hopefully, half an hour, 40 minutes tops, I'll be done. I'm going to do 5 sets. The push-ups, I'm going to do 20 per set, and the pull-ups between 4 and 5 per set, maybe even 3 sometimes. But the goal is I got to do 25. So, you know, in most of my life, I've been a tennis professional, a teaching tennis professional. And when you're on, you know, that's how I supported my family, my wife and my 2 daughters. And when you're doing that kind of work, it's very physical. Okay, so I'm on the court all day long, hitting balls, hitting tennis balls. The last thing that I wanted to do was work out. When the day was over, I just wanted to go get some food, relax, chill out, and go to sleep, and wake up and do it again the next day. So, you know, I had no extra energy to work out. And what happens when you play a sport like tennis, your body can get out of balance. It's a one, you know, unless you have a 2-handed backhand, which I did not have. I had a one-hander. So I have a one-hander. And so your body gets out of balance. And reaching over a ball cart all the time, your posture gets lousy, you know. So now I'm 73. I'm not teaching as much as I used to. My daughters are grown, married, they have children, so I have some grandchildren, and now I can work on my posture, getting my body back in shape more. So, but the key is consistency. You've got to do it every day. You've got to do it every day, even when you don't feel like doing it. You got to do 20, 30, 40 minutes out of your day. Take that for exercise. It's going to increase your longevity. You're going to feel better. You're going to be more productive. So it's really a good habit to get into. So let me just show you. Like I said, I'm going to do this reverse sled, 200 yards. I'm going to go out to the tennis court. Out there, I'll do my push-ups. And I've got some rings out there. I'll do my pull-ups. So here we go. okay, when doing the pull-ups, you've got to come back down to a full hang, hold it for a second, and then go. That way you're going to get the full benefit. Okay, so I'm hopefully going to do probably 6 or 7 sets to get to the 25. But whatever you have to do to get whatever is good for you. It might be 35. It might only be 10. It might be 1, 2. You got to start somewhere, but keep progressing. You can do that on a raw vegan diet. Okay, the goal for today is 100 push-ups, 5 sets. All right, here we go. First set. Actually, no, this is my second set. Okay, I may need more than 5 sets to get to the 100, but I'm going to get the 100. So the key is, if you're on a vegan diet, especially raw vegan, you're going to have the energy. And that's the key to improving your fitness and for improving whatever your sport happens to be. All the best, guys. Give me a like, a thumbs up, and fruit up, baby.